Acne is a common skin condition that affects nearly 10% of the world's population. Many factors contribute to the development of acne, including sebum and keratin production, acne-causing bacteria, hormones, blocked pores and inflammation. The link between diet and acne has been controversial, but recent research shows that diet can play a significant role in acne development. This video we share 7 foods that can cause acne and discuss why the quality of your diet is important. Number 1. Refined grains and sugars. Eating lots of refined carbohydrates may increase blood sugar and insulin levels and contribute to the development of acne. Number 2. Dairy products. Frequently consuming dairy products is linked to increased acne severity, but it is uncertain whether there is a cause and effect relationship. Number 3. Fast food. Regularly eating fast food has been correlated with an increased risk of developing acne, but it is not clear whether it causes acne. Number 4. Foods rich in omega-6 fats. Diets rich in omega-6 fatty acids and low in omega-3s are pro-inflammatory and may worsen acne, though more research is needed. Number 5. Chocolate. Emerging research supports a link between eating chocolate and developing acne, but the reasons why and the strength of the relationship remain unclear. Number 6. Whey protein powder. A small amount of data suggests a link between taking whey protein powder and developing acne, but more high-quality research is needed. Number 7. Foods you're sensitive to. Food sensitivity reactions can increase the amount of inflammation in the body, which theoretically may worsen acne. However, no studies to date have been conducted on the topic. What to eat instead? Consuming a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, probiotics, green tea, fruits and vegetables may be protective against the development of acne. Vitamins A, D and E, as well as zinc, may also help prevent acne. While research has linked certain foods to an increased risk of developing acne, it is important to keep the bigger picture in mind. Overall dietary patterns are likely to have a larger impact on skin health than eating, or not eating, any one particular food. It is probably not necessary to completely avoid all the foods that have been linked to acne, but rather consume them in balance with the other nutrient-dense foods discussed above. In the meantime, it may be beneficial to keep a food log to look for patterns between the foods you are eating and the health of your skin. Hope you liked the video. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like the video to mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.